Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money by watching videos. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking for ways to make money online? If so, you may be surprised to know that one option is to watch videos. That's right, you can get paid just for sitting back and enjoying your favorite clips. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the ways to make money by watching videos online. First, we'll take a look at getting paid to watch videos. Some businesses will give you money in exchange for watching videos. This is a great way to make money online, as you can do it in your spare time and earn extra cash. To get started, sign up for a paid-to-watch video website. Once you're registered, start watching videos and earning money. Next, we'll take a look at making money by leaving comments on videos. You can get paid to leave comments on videos by signing up for websites that pay you to do so. These websites work by paying you a certain amount of money for every video that you comment on. To start earning money by commenting on videos, simply sign up for one of these websites and start leaving comments on the videos that you watch. Additionally, you can make money by rating videos. There are a few ways to make money online by rating videos. You can get paid to rate videos by signing up for websites that pay you to do so, or by leaving comments on videos. Additionally, you can share videos with your friends and earn a commission for every view that they generate. Lastly, you can make money by sharing videos. There are a number of ways to make money online by sharing videos. You can sign up for websites that will pay you to share videos, or you can simply share videos on your own social media channels and earn revenue from the ads that are served on those channels. There you have it, 4 ways to make money by watching videos online. Whether you're getting paid to watch, leaving comments, rating or sharing videos, there are plenty of opportunities out there to make money online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.